I made an episode before talking about the black mist filter and how it impacts the image of the camera so that it will look more cinematic. If you didn't watch the video, you can check it up there, right there in this card. These are the two ways in order to achieve that kind of cinematic look. You can just go through it, and also you can check this video if you want to see the 5 cameras that you can achieve the cinematic look out of them below the $2,000 budget. However, in this video I'm gonna show what is the black mist filter, how exactly it affects the image with and without using it. You will see the photo comparison in the same video. And basically, in order to know the difference between these two images, like literally the one without the filter and the one with the filter, you will mainly notice it where there is a harsh light or there is like studio light, like for example like this, a light like this. You will not see it that much harsh. Here we go. So I'm gonna take it away here without the black mist filter. Maybe you can notice the difference. I'm gonna put it without tying it because as an advice also, like do not make it super tight when you rotate it to the camera. Do not make it super tight because you might need to shoot without it, maybe a special moment, important moment that you need to shoot, and then suddenly you will be stuck with this. So here's the photo without the filter, and here is the photo with the filter. You might not notice the difference, you might not tell the difference, but when I put it in the light, you will notice the difference. For example, here you can see the light and how it's and the impact on the image. Here it is, and 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna remove. See the light now? Like literally look at these edges of the light. You're not gonna notice that it has any rays or any glow out of them, but when I put it back, see, you notice that glow. So this one is the people chasing this one in order to achieve the cinematic look. And this is actually the dreamy, trendy, retro cinematic look that people chasing it right now in order to like make some videos with this look. And you can notice the difference. I know you can. Like when I do like this, see, it's totally different. The sharp image it's actually good. It's actually good, but this is mainly for photography. But for videography, or maybe for shooting a cinematic kind of image or footage, people prefer to have that kind of glowy highlights. So if you're gonna take it, like for example, I'm gonna bring another light so that we can check it. Wait, I'll put this back. For example, this light right here. We're gonna put it like this. I think you can notice it has that kind of like small units of lights inside of it. Maybe you cannot notice it right now because the filter is on, but once I'll take it off, and by the way, this is not like the camera is out of focus or something. This is like it's in focus, but it's given that glowy kind of effect on the highlights only. So let us try on the white. Here it's kind of like sharp. You can see here, totally sharp. Once you put it, can you see that dreamy look? I'm not sure if you can tell the difference, but by the way, I'm using the quarter, like the filter. I'm using the quarter black mist filter. It's not half, it's not 1/8. I'm using quarter, so that's why it's given this. And I don't tell any difference between the quarter and the the 1/8. I only feel the difference on the half and the quarter. That's is there. But now, this actually my preferred glowy image that I like. Yeah, and that's actually pretty it. I will show you in the light that I'm using right here. Maybe it will also make a bit of difference. See this? When I remove, and when I put it back, let me stand here. Not sure if you can tell. When I remove, see, it's more sharper than this. Yeah. That's actually pretty it for today's video. And if you guys want to purchase the black mist filter, you can find it in the description below. It's actually around $20. Bit more, bit less. Depends on where you are. That's it. If you like the content, guys, do not hesitate to subscribe, like the video, so that I'll do more content. I'll be encouraged to do more. And until next video, guys, take care. See you.